Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bree, and I hope you guys noticed that I have a new intro that took me literally hours to make, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. My old intro was kind of old and I had it for like so long, so I decided to update my intro. And if you guys haven't already, please subscribe and also follow me on Instagram. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a aloe vera pre-poo. So this video was inspired by NAPTURAL85'S video. So I'm going to be trying to follow the steps that she did in her pre-poo. And I'm so excited to try this because aloe vera is supposed to be really, really good for your hair. And it also helps promote hair growth. And if you guys don't know already, I am doing a hair growth challenge on my channel, a 6-month hair growth challenge. So I wanted to incorporate this since I already do pre-poos anyway. I do a hot oil treatment. So this specific pre-poo is you use the aloe vera, you make aloe vera gel, and then after you put the aloe vera gel in your hair, then you put the oil. So it's kind of like a 2-in-1. So yeah, so I'm going to show you guys how I make this. This is my first time making this, so I'm going to take you guys along with me. So if you guys want to see how I make an aloe vera pre-poo, then keep watching. Okay guys, so I have the aloe vera plant here and I have a cutting board. So I'm just going to put the aloe vera on the cutting board and I'm going to cut away this white piece because we do not need this portion. And so I'm going to cut it into a few pieces. So now I'm going to take the knife and I'm just going to cut off the green layer. I'm just going to do just the first layer. And I just put it into this bowl. So I'm going to repeat that with all the pieces. This is the chunks that I have, and I'm going to put this in a blender. I have my NutriBullet. So I'm just going to put the chunks inside, the cap on, and I'm actually just going to add like a little bit of water, just a little bit, because you don't want to dilute the mixture too much. So, and I'm going to put it in the NutriBullet, and I'm just going to post blend, but I'm going to still leave the chunks, just going to post blend it a little bit, and I'll be right back. As you can see, it's liquidy. And there's some bubbles in there, but I tried not to take away all the chunks. So I just did a pulse. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to strain out all the chunks. So I put the pantyhose over the mixture and I'm just going to turn it upside down over this bowl, like so. And then I'm going to squeeze it. Alright, so the gel is done and I'm just going to pour this into the applicator bottle. Okay guys, so I just made the mixture, the aloe vera gel, and I have my oil. So before I get into it, I just want to show you guys, talk to you guys about the benefits of using aloe vera on your hair. And if you follow me on Instagram, you would have known that I did a post on it earlier this month. So one of the benefits is that it strengthens your hair and makes your scalp healthier. It calms an itchy scalp, it promotes hair growth, and it deeply cleans oily hair. So I just wanted to share some benefits. So I do post like hair care tips and curly hair information on my Instagram page. So follow me on Instagram. So anyway, so I'm gonna get right into it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna section off my hair. All right, so this is my hair with all the aloe vera gel. So I'm going to now go in with the oil mixture. I had to take off my shirt because it's just so messy. So don't wear anything you care about, okay, when you're doing this. So I have my oil. So now I'm just going to put the oil all over my scalp first, and then I'm gonna go in and then put it all over my strands. Excited to see, how this, works for my hair over time, and to notice the difference, because I've heard such great things and people have, gotten so much, hair growth by using this. So I'm going to try to use this weekly as a pre-poo. Since I'm already doing oil, I feel like just adding aloe before the oil is just an enhancement to the hot oil treatment. So I'm just going to add a little bit more oil and just really put that on my ends, and then just the full length of my hair, and really massage it into the scalp. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put my hair up, and I'm going to get a plastic, I'm going to get a plastic cap, and then I'm going to sit underneath my hooded dryer for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes. I'll do 30 minutes, and then I'll rinse it out, and then I'll come back to you guys with what my hair looks like. So yeah, my hair feels really good and I'm happy, and we'll see how this turns out. So it is the next morning. I actually ended up putting the hooded dryer over my head for 30 minutes, and then I just slept with it overnight because I was just too lazy to rinse it out. But so this is what my hair looks like. So I rinsed my hair out with conditioner today. This week is my co-wash week, so I didn't shampoo it out. But I'm absolutely, completely like in love with this stuff. This stuff is so moisturizing for the hair. My hair feels so strong, so moisturized, and I really like it a lot. When I was in the shower, I was like touching like the ends of my hair, and like for like the past few months, like I've been like actually having like a lot of shedding, and I noticed, today that I had like no shedding. Like I was just going like this and like no hair was coming out from the bottom, and I was like, oh my gosh, like this is crazy. And I don't know if it's because of this or if it's because I did a protein mask last week. I don't know, but like I've also been sealing my ends, so it could be that. I don't know, but all I know is that my hair feels amazing, and I don't have shedding today. And it's so crazy because I have been, you know, experienced that a lot, and I feel like I'm just going to continue doing what I've been doing, and I'm going to share that with you guys when I upload my second month update for the hair growth challenge. So yeah, I'm really happy with the results. I'm definitely going to be doing this every single week. And this is just going to be my pre-poo routine from now on. I've been doing hot oil treatments, but this is kind of just like a 2-in-1. It's, you're doing a hot oil treatment, but before that you apply the aloe, and then you put the hooded cap on, so you're getting kind of like double the benefits. But I'm so excited. The aloe vera plant literally cost me 99 cents, and it was so big, so I only used half of it with this go round. So next week I'm going to use the other half, and it's just so crazy that it's only $1. But yeah, I'm excited to see what this does for my hair, because a lot of people say that it has grown their hair. So we'll see. I know that I'm not going to notice growth in one use, so it's going to be one of those things over time that you notice. But I'm really happy with the way that my hair feels. I'm happy that this is an all natural pre-poo, and yeah, I'm really happy with it. This is going to be incorporated into my routine for a very long time. But yeah, I'm really excited about that, and I'm so happy that I stumbled across Natural85's video, because this is everything, and I'm so happy. So yeah, so if you guys have not already, give this video a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the notification bell so that you can get all notifications when I upload. And be sure to go watch my hair growth challenge video and watch my first month update with a I also did a length check last month. The beginning of the 11th of this month, I did a length check. So the 11th of March, I will also be doing a length check to show you guys how much my hair has grown in a month. And yeah, so be sure to go check those videos out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.